Hi museum friends! Welcome back to PopLab, where we test crafts and recipes that we find online. I'm Miss Rita from the Nyannick Children's Museum, and this is the husband person. Wave to our museum friends over the lawnmower sound.
Today's project is another special one because we are celebrating the future opening of the Nyannick Farmers Market sometime in the future. And we're making butter.
June 18th.
June 18th.
So I've read a lot of blogs at this point about making butter in a mason jar with your children. And it ranges from anywhere to 10 minutes to like half an hour. So we're going to see how long it takes us. I have the heavy cream, I have the mason jar, and they said just add salt and that's all you need. Starting the timer. Here we go.
I'm already tired. This is fun. Frothy cream.
Ooh.
It's whipped cream.
Whipped cream. Hold on, we forgot to add the salt.
I can't get my giant hand in frame if you're that close.
Is it doing it?
Yeah, it's solidified.
Alright, let me get the strainer. That I helped a lot. Alright, let's strain it out. Okay, so we have just almost 10 minutes. This is buttermilk, which you can use for pancakes later. And then we have butter. And we're going to test it out, put it on some crackers. Yeah, you tilted the camera and now you're out of frame because you're too tall.
That's fine.
That's fine.
Oh.
Well, what do you
like butter.
Well, yeah, that's.
I mean, I think we did it right. It didn't take 10 minutes though. You made it seem harder.
A lot of the blogs made it seem a lot harder. Maybe it's because they don't have you gym bro doing it. So how long do you think it would take a person not trying to break some kind of making butter record?
I mean, if you're going to make it fast. So,
most of them will have their kids.
You don't want to be spending all day on this. So you just whip that thing out of that little guy's hand and you shake it for him.
So that's it. I was pleasantly surprised. I really thought we'd be here for like half an hour, but it only took 10 minutes. So thank you for tuning into this episode of PopLab. Say see you next Saturday. Say see you next Saturday.
See you next Saturday.
Say bye.
Bye.
No, say it like you mean it.
Bye.
There we go.
Like I mean it.